Chaos and conflict dominate our headlines and affect the lives of millions around the world, from relationship and family issues to sexual assault to famine, even to war. Experts and their solutions to these problems come and go like fads, yet nothing seems to work effectively over time. Why is that? Let's take a look. The first step is to understand underlying root causes, which humans typically don't want to look for. It's easier to fix blame on someone or something than create an agenda to attack the thing being blamed. These agendas then claim to have the one and only answer and try to convince us to join their cause. There is a better way, a sustainable way, for those who truly want to improve lives. Here is the one proven method for practical long-term change. It starts by understanding complexity science. Human interactions are vastly complex systems, often with ugly backstories, so when searching for root causes, you must have a tool that can help untangle these complex systems. That tool is called system dynamics. It's the same tool used by rocket scientists, epidemiology, the military, climatology, and Wall Street. Yet Coflict is one of the very first to integrate this tool into its behavioral and mediation programs. Once complex behavior is understood, step 2 is to identify the patterns and quantify them. One extraordinary feature of system dynamics is its ability to quantify what we call soft variables. Such things as the value of good parenting, or the joy of winning a contest, or the emotional loss of a loved one. Current economic and political policies dismiss such variables, which is why the models are incomplete and poor at predicting actual future events. For example, if a child experiences abuse or is born with disabilities due to the mother taking drugs, the long-term effect on family and society can absolutely be measured and indeed must be quantified in any model proposing a solution. Step 3 is to use the tool to simulate the results over time and find the most effective way to address the problem at hand. The popular mean is the flapping of a butterfly's wings in Brazil can cause a tornado in Kansas. When humans interact, this butterfly effect is experienced hundreds of times a day by every person. So multiple factors must be captured and plugged into the model to determine which outcomes are most likely. Coflict is currently sponsoring programs in US and Africa to apply this methodology to such things such as preventing child abuse, using fatherhood to improve the life prospects of incarcerated men and their children, and giving the homeless better guidance on how to cope. To learn more about how we do this, please watch part 2 of the video.